me, the Laura Nicole, and I'm back again for another YouTube video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video will be 20 different hairstyles to do with knotless braids, just in time for back to school season. These hairstyles are cute and easy, and if you're just like me and you hate waking up in the morning, these hairstyles are so doable. You can probably do them in 5 minutes and be out of the door. So if you are ready to see how to do these hairstyles, let's get started. To achieve these hairstyles, you will need knotless braids, of course, and then elastics/rubber bands. For this first hairstyle, we will be doing a simple half up, half down hairstyle. So you will just take half of your hair, place it up in a ponytail, and then I like to take one of my braids and wrap it around the elastic just to cover it. For this hairstyle, you will do exactly what you did for the last one, but instead leave out 2 braids in the front. For this hairstyle, we'll be doing a half up, half down with a swoop. So take a small section of your hair and bring it to the left or right side. Then, just like the last 2 hairstyles, place your hair inside of a half up, half down ponytail, leaving out the section that you just created. With the section in the front, bring it to the left or the right side and then tie it off with a small elastic rubber band. From there, grab 1 or 2 braids that are in the back and then tie it to the ponytail that you just made in the front to really secure the swoop that you just made. And what's amazing about this swoop hairstyle is that if you're not feeling the half up, half down, you can replace it with either a high ponytail or a low ponytail and it will look amazing. For hairstyle number 6, you will keep your hair in the low Barbie braid ponytail, but we will be doing a bubble braid because it's very in style and trending this season. So all you're going to do is take small elastics and make little bubbles with the ponytail and you are done. This hairstyle is honestly so cute and it's giving me very much Princess Jasmine. Hairstyle number 7 is so easy. You're just going to put your hair in a high ponytail and just leave 1 braid out. And hairstyle number 8 is just a classic high ponytail. Okay guys, so this next hairstyle is giving me very much Penny Proud herself. We're just going to do 2 small low ponytails and then have 2 braids hanging out in the front. Hairstyle number 10 will just be the low ponytails by itself. Hairstyle number 11 is just going to be 2 high ponytails, half up, half down with 2 braids in the front. Hairstyle number 12 would just be the 2 high ponytails without the 2 braids in the front. For hairstyle number 13, you will take the small ponytails that you've just created and make them into bubble braids. Hairstyle number 14 is by far my favorite hairstyle in this video. We are going to be making a Bantu knot crown. All you have to do is just make 4 Bantu knots in the front part of your head and you are done. Hairstyle number 15 is a Y2K inspired half up, half down hairstyle. So you're only going to take a small section that is by your ears and do a medium to low half up, half down. The trick is for this hairstyle is to make sure on your last loop that you do not go all the way through. Leave a small little bun and then you're just going to let the rest of the braid hang. From there, you can pull the ponytail of braids completely out to make hairstyle number 16, which will be a medium to low half up, half down. For hairstyle number 17, we will start by taking the 2 braids in the front and tying them to the ponytail in the back. From there, we will take small elastics and make the ponytail in the back into a bubble braid. Hairstyle number 18 is giving me major Princess Leia vibes. Start by leaving out 2 braids in the front and then you're going to make 2 low buns in the back. And if you're not feeling the braids in the front, you can always put them to the back. Hairstyle number 19 is another half up, half down. You guys know I love my half up, half down. But for this hairstyle, you'll be doing 2 small buns on top and then you are done. My last hairstyle for this video will be a hairstyle I call the Pixie Hollow hairstyle. All you're gonna do is take out 1 braid that is by your ear and then 1 braid on the top of your head and tuck the rest of your hair behind your ear and you are done. There are so many different ways to style knotless braids, so the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more back to school hairstyle videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.